You're actually sitting where your wrap's pretty good. I'm assuming you don't have any overdrive in that? You're there though. Yeah, see that little bit of extra length. God damn it.
Like you said, you might be able to just unscrew your lengths a little bit.
Oh, I want to keep it sharp. This is not something you'll ever see on a C1 course. We're out here doing shit that you shouldn't be doing.
That's what makes it fun.
I knew his little bit extra wheelbase was going to get him on that one. Or let him.
Stop jumping.
Just a little help.
You just need a little forward bias on that thing.
Yeah, I haven't done anything
Nope.
yet.
You just need a little bit extra forward
Yeah.
bias. I think you'll...
Recut, Jensen.
Oh, did I tell you guys that I went up backwards?
Who was watching? Nobody?
Chris didn't get it on film, let this fall.
It didn't happen if I didn't film it, right?
Like I'm not.
I hit that rock right here.
I have to get over here to put the down.
Where you going now?
The angle you stand plays a role. Dude, that was...
That was cool. With a semi-deviated tire.
All right,
Top of the mountain
it's
looking
hanging
down.
there. It's... See if you're not do what you did. Get over there and... I've been good till I hit the wall. I got the hard part though.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess the other part's apparently hard too, but I feel better.
Yeah. That was cool.
Ooh, at a weird angle. God, some of these lines are gnarly, man. Brought the wrong rig.
I'm way over.
You're good, that's fine. You fell into the hole in that right rear though. See, yeah, right there. You did it forever, you turned up a little into it. I think this might be carry a little momentum,
Yeah.
but not run into the wall like I did. Oh, that's where you got snagged last time. Exact same spot. You get back up a little bit.
There you go.
Right a little bit, and then carry a little bit of speed through that rear bump. See right
Come
where
on,
your
baby.
rear's bumping?
Yeah.
Like that right rear's hitting a little up.
Perspective for you.
Sit down.
Keep hitting all the bumps.
Yeah.
Up here. No!
Oh man!
That would have
Oh.
been bad.
Cocky?
Was it just a rock that fell off? Or that breaking piece?
I didn't see anything fall, but the loose rocks.
waitress and I lifted up my truck and I saw him there. I'm like, okay, fine.
What's my brother?
Because those screws are actually in the wheel or for the patties. I got a bunch of small silver ones we put on.
Thinking if I needed to put him anywhere, to put him back here. I won't need that money though.
Thank you, sir. That's cute. He just ducked underneath the camera. So I can get my RC brother up there on his dirt bike.